Hi everyone, Ocean here from In-House Publishing. At In-House we take pride in our social responsibility. We support authors and projects that have a positive impact on the community locally, nationally and of course on a global level. Recently we've had some authors dedicate their time and resources to the people of Nepal in their efforts to rebuild after the tragic earthquake in April of 2015. We support and publish material for pencils.org.au, who distribute pencils into orphanages internationally, most recently into Nepal. We support Rebuild Hope Nepal, which is an initiative by in-house author Gerardo Polly. We also support in-house authors Ian and Leanne Buckley, who for the last 18 months have been missionaries in Nepal. Today I have the pleasure to announce that In-House is supporting Rebuild Nepal. This has been put together by singer-songwriter Toni. Check it out.
From the tallest peaks in the world to the epic valleys and thunderous gorges, I can see now the narrow villages that I trekked just a few weeks ago. The brightly colored Buddhist monasteries to the neighborhoods of Kathmandu. Our thoughts and prayers go out to the people of Nepal. This is Toni Childs. Another major earthquake has struck eastern Nepal near Mount Everest, just 2 weeks after more than 8,000 died in a previous devastating quake. From the furthest star to the smallest grain of sand, we are all connected.